Hi, I'm Cody Hickman. I'm your chef from 360 Catering and Events. You're on our YouTube channel. Today is National Hot Pastrami Day, so we're going to make you a nice, beautiful hot pastrami sandwich. First, what we're going to do is we have our pastrami beef right here with a havarti cheese I've chosen. As you see, I have 3 pieces of cheese. I'm a cheesy kind of guy. Some dill pickles that I already sliced out, and some white onions. We're going to go and get our beef and put it into our au jus here, or beef broth if you want to be all technical. Turn my heat up just a little bit so that that juice start getting in there, and all the pores of the beef would just be unbelievably moist and juicy. So next I'm going to get my butter and lather it up on my bread. And this is rye bread. I just got just a nice Jewish rye. I'm gonna put a lot of butter. I like a lot of butter on it. Just makes it, I think, taste better, and also toast up a lot better. I'll flip it over and put a little brown. You can either use brown mustard. I'm using brown mustard today. You can use Dijon, whatever your favorite spread is, really. When it comes down to mustards, or heck, some people will put spicy mayonnaises on it. You know, just whatever you would like to do. I think it just tastes better with the Dijon and the brown mustard. I'm going to layer some cheese on there. I'm going to put 2 pieces on this side and 1 piece on that side. Make one piece of bread jealous of the other. Then we got our pickles. Let's go this way with them. I think it'll be better. Think about cooking, you always change your mind right in the middle if you want to. Our onions. Let's check out our beef. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? I'm just going to shake it out. Shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Let's have a little fun in the kitchen. Look at all that beef. See, you gotta have a lot of beef. You can't hold back on the beef. Hey, when you go to those little delis and they give you 3 ounces of beef. I'm a man. I gotta eat the meat and make sure it's nice and thick. So I've got my pan heating up a little over here. My spatula, and put it on my pan. Oh, you hear that sizzle? Oh, that's a beautiful thing, right? You want to kind of make sure it doesn't get stuck on there too much. And here's a little tip for you. Get a brick from your garden, boil it up nice and sanitary, and then put it right on top of any kind of sandwich you're going to be doing, a grilled cheese or melted cheese or combination of. That'll help seal it in, make it like a nice sandwich. We'll be back in just a few moments with the finished product.
Go.
Okay, we're back with our hot pastrami sandwich. We're just going to cut it in half. I like to go triangle style. Oh, look at that. Smells so good too, guys. It doesn't get any better than that. Come on, guys. Got a few pretzels here. And there you go. It's Hot Pastrami Day here at 360 Catering and Events. As usual, we'll give you our recipe at our website, 360cateringevents.com. And please join us. Again, if you have any future events that you might need some catering for, we're here for you. Thank you very much.